Namaskar, I am Sonali from Success Studios. I wish a very, very happy 75th year of Independence Day to every proud Indian citizen. While we celebrate this momentous occasion, let's take this opportunity to thank each of our teachers, mentors, coaches, parents, nation building leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam, Netaji, Sarojini Naidu, and countless people who have just remained in background without being uttered. We are indebted to them for silently toiling behind the scenes to ensure India's brilliant progress since independence. Whether a teacher, professional, leader, parent, coach, performer, everyone is playing a critical role in building our nation. We are happy to showcase mentors, trainers, teachers in the green room, behind the scene, who are doing their job right so that every performing citizen forges ahead. Our tribute today is to that individual who is proud to play the role of being a catalyst for others to prosper. Like your story is a platform to showcase entrepreneurs. At Success Studio, we showcase mentors, teachers, parents, coaches, and leaders who are creating our heroes for tomorrow. Success Studios mentors and coaches are also supporting various workshops, mentorship programs, webinars, seminars to accentuate success for others. Our mentors are individuals, organizations, and also firms who are supporting our nation-building initiatives with their humongous experience, expertise, and acumen. To know more about them, do visit us at www.success-studios.com. On the occasion of our 75th Independence Day, our mentors have shared their perspective on nation building, freedom, and mentoring. If you are a mentor, teacher, coach, leader, do connect with us. If you miss sending your perspective during this time, do feel free to send it to us by the end of this month. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of the Prime Minister of making India a self-reliant nation. Let us participate to make this grand success by virtue of setting a new age value system of innovating, inspiring, and inclusivity wherever we are. Create your commitments and celebrate your victories. Let's use our freedom to contribute, create, and cherish during our life journey. We look forward to support your nation building, Atmanirbhar, and knowledge sharing journey. Jai Hind.
I think all of us have a responsibility to do something for the nation in our own humble and small way. In my role as a professor, I have always motivated my students to look at people, process, and the planet so that as the next generation they can work towards a sustainable which calls for a rather Atmanirbhar and Swachh Bharat. So I keep coaching them and motivating them to be responsible, honest, innovative, and productive citizens of our country. In my role as a businesswoman, as an evangelist, and as an entrepreneur, together in teamwork, in spirit, and to work towards all the initiatives and the technological advances in the process re-engineering areas that we work on, so that together we can build a much more talented warehouse of knowledge in our country and stand our feet in the whole world, saying that we as Indians top in everywhere, that wherever
my mentor used to say, true freedom is to say no to your mind when it badly needs something. As we are celebrating yet another Independence Day, I would like to say no to my mind when it wants to break the law of the land. I would like to say no to my mind when it wants to support corruption. I would like to say no to my mind when it wants to do something unethical. So for me, true freedom is to live in a land without compromising on my values or ethics.
Greetings to all on the occasion of our 75th Independence Day. It's a privilege and a blessing to be a teacher, and it's a wonderful journey interacting with so many kids and elders all these years. Kids are amazing in their understanding, in their keenness, and in their intelligence and inquisitiveness to understand new things. It is for us to mold them, to show them the right direction, and to support them to grow as complete human beings. Along with regular lessons, other simple things are discussed during the class, like respecting elders, being friendly to others, being honest and sincere and truthful. And kids do understand and imbibe all these things, and it helps in building their character and in building the nation at large. I feel very happy to be able to contribute towards this. Namaste.
हुनर है तो कदर है. When you have skill, you have respect. This, when I was abroad for 14 years, I was working in 3 of the major international banks. So when I returned to India, I dedicated myself to nation building by joining the National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC) as the Chief Operating Officer. I was closely involved with the skill development ecosystem. So I'm a consultant Sevak to the Pan IIT Alumni Reach for India, and I work with the Sarthak Education Trust for empowerment of people with disabilities through skill development. And why is skill development so important? Because India has the potential of becoming a superpower in skilled human resources. India can supply skilled resources to not only for its own use, but for the entire world, because the rest of the world is getting older and India has a very young and dynamic workforce. So it is important that you all join us in this nation building efforts as we move into the 75th year of independence, because India needs you. I'm so happy that Success Studios is taking this initiative of bringing like-minded people for nation building. Mera Bharat Maha.
Hi, my name is Dr. Anju Aneja Arora, and I'm here to talk about Success Mantra. Success Mantra is a very unique platform where Sonali discusses the intricacies and the details of each and every profession. She is a true mentor, and I'm very glad to be associated with her.
Hi there. If you're watching this, consider yourself really privileged. You have access to technology, you have tools, devices to stay connected with the world at large. Now let us consider this scenario. Instead of getting bogged down by the lockdown, this is an opportunity for us to feel resourceful, empowered with all these tools. Reach out to people whom you have not connected for a very long time. Learn a new skill. Connect with experts in the field that you aspire to make a mark. This is a wonderful time. Every crisis, every adversity provides an opportunity for us to look deep within and bring the best version of ourselves for the purpose of uplifting society at large. Like me, if you are an incurable optimist, you would have great hope for future. Whenever I talk to youth, especially teens, I get this amazing experience that we are in better hands. Our future is going to be really bright, because these youngsters, they look at problems around them and convert them into opportunity by solving many of these and make this a better place for all of us. I had the privilege of wearing the tricolor way back in 2017 when I represented Team India at Abu Dhabi 2017 World Skills Competition, where nearly 28 of our competitors, along with experts and a large contingent, we represented our country. I consider that as my bit on nation building, and I want to continue to do this much more than ever before. And I have been engaging with many youngsters. For all the viewers out there of Success Studio, on this occasion of 75th Independence Day, here is a wish for all of us that we grow, thrive and succeed in whatever we choose to do. Through this new channel, Youth, U to the power of TH, which stands for Youth Powered by Technology and Humanity, where we bring interviews with young minds. These are the people who did not get bogged down by what's happening around them. They changed their perspective, they changed their view into solving things for humanity using technology that they had access. They reached out to experts, learnt new technology, and applied that to solve a problem for the rest of us. Those heroes would be featured in this country. Great. Till we meet again, signing off. Jai Hind.
Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon, Jai Hind. Salute to our motherland. May the evil on the basis of religion, region and caste be terminated forever, whosoever it may be. We together can and shall make our motherland proud and successful. Let us be an Indian first. Happy Independence Day to all my fellow Indians in India and abroad. Let us
Independence Day. Privileged to be associated with the mentorship program of Success Studios. Truly a great initiative in providing a platform for us to share our experiences with the youth of the country. Leaders at all levels have the responsibility of shaping the future. If India was to assume its rightful place in the community of nations, then we have the responsibility in preparing the youth to face the challenges of the real world. Jai Hind.
Education consultant, it's been a very exciting and satisfying experience working with students for the past 20 years. At our office in Merit Higher Education Consultants, we work with about 200 students every year, and we facilitate on a close to cumulative number of about 500 university admits into about 15 plus odd countries. This year in 2021, we've been fortunate that 100% of our US bound students have got their visas and into some of their dream universities. It's been a great experience. As a student mentor, I thank Sonali and Success Studio as a team for bringing this bridge between mentors, students, facilitators and counselors. It's been a great experience, it's been a joy working in this industry, and I'm sure cumulatively as a consortium and with this entire bridge, we'll be able to bring in some fantastic education system to the present and the future generation. Thank you very much, Success Studio and
Dear friends, my name is Anil Oberoi, and a very happy 75th Independence Day to all of you. Today we are celebrating the Independence Day, and I'm very happy to know the initiative being taken by Success Mantra of Bangalore, headed by Sonali Datta, where she is trying to bring the industry mentors with the students, the developers and the users. So India is already on the right path of developing the Digital India, and Digital India is the way forward. And we have seen out of the recent IPOs also the amount of success Zomato has got in terms of its e-commerce offerings. So this is the right path. Well, I just have to mention one aspect, that when we're developing systems or processes or applications, we need to take our 4 things: plan, do, check and act. All these are very, very important aspects of any system building. And if we do that, I'm very sure we'll be able to meet the customer requirements in a very positive way. Thank you, and success to Success Mantra and all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Rituparna Basu, and I must say that it has been an absolute pleasure to share my stories and experiences as a professional, as a person with Success Mantra. I'm sure that under Shonali's leadership, Success Mantra is going to achieve all heights in terms of enriching minds and lives of people around. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day. It is certainly my privilege to talk to you as to what we have contributed in the nation building. The first aspect is the young women of India that find no hope in villages as women, and given them a training where we are a part of their adult education, giving them motivation to come back to society. These women develop into aunts and mothers to take care of a community of children who have lost families, who come out of natural calamities like floods and earthquakes. So the society at large is being reinstated by 2 aspects, one by the developing children and by the women who've lost their privileges coming back to society. The second aspect are the young graduates that come out of government colleges having less privilege to go through professional grooming sessions, and that's what we are privileged to be a part of. And when they come back, cracking interviews is the greatest gift that we can have. There are 2 aspects. One is the manpower, and the second is the women empowerment to give them back an opportunity in society. Jai Hind.